Welcome back. Welcome to the penultimate worksheet. Penultimate meaning second last. So, let's take a look here. Point of intersection. So, to cut down trees, Anna's company charges $20 an hour and a flat fee of $600 a year. Brienne's company, however, just charges $40 per hour with no flat fee. So what we're talking about here is, when I say a point of intersection, I mean we are going to have two lines and they are going to intersect at a single point. Now, the point of this, no pun intended, was to compare Anna's company with Brianna's company and see which one's a better deal for I guess how many hours of work are put in. For example, when you go to TELUS and you want to get your first cell phone, and you are the type of person who is always on your phone, you are Snapchatting, Instagramming, Facebooking, Pokemon Going, you're using data galore, okay? You would obviously get the bundle that covers a lot of data. However, if you're the type who sends maybe one text a day and you don't really use your phone that much, you would obviously get the smaller bundle. Okay. Now, some companies, if you, for example, compare TELUS to Bell, might have a better, smaller for the less frequent users, a bundle for the less frequent users that's cheaper. But TELUS might have the better bundle for those who use their phone more. Where is that middle ground? At what point are the two the same? So, here's an example. Anna's company. So, that's what CA and CB stand for. So, Anna's company, let's take a look. Let's write an equation first. Write an equation for each company where C is the cost and H is the number of hours. With Anna's company, I'm going to use blue. So, Anna's company charges $20 per hour and a flat fee of $600 per year. So that tells me that the $600 is your initial value. Now, then she charges $20 per hour. So that is what changes, $20 per hour. That is Anna's. Now for Brienne's, charges $40 per hour, and it doesn't say there is a flat fee. So it's simply just $40 per hour with no flat fee. Now I want you to complete a table of values for each linear equation. So for the first one, if the hours are 0, how much would Company Anna charge? Well, Company Anna would charge $600 because they charge a flat fee of $600 per year. So even if they do no work for you all year and you hire them, I don't know why, but you still pay $600. Okay. Now for Brienne's company, if no hours are put in, then obviously you pay nothing. Okay? Now, for Anna's company, let's say they put in 20 hours of work. Okay? So 20 hours of work would mean $20 times 20 hours of work, which is $400 plus the flat fee of $600, and that'll give us $1,000. Okay? Now for Brienne, if you put in 20 hours of work and they charge $40 an hour, that's 40 times 20, that'll give you $800. So $800. Okay? Now I'm not going to do this whole thing for you, but the point is, once you fill out these guys, I want you to draw the two lines. Okay? So for section 3, or question part C, sorry, ignore this 5 marks business. So, looking back at the table of values, for Anna's company, 0 and 600 would be a point. 20 and 1000 would be a point. X value, Y value. For Brienne's, 0, 0 would be a point. 20, 800 would be a point. Okay? So once you draw a grid, or a graph, sorry, plot the two lines, color code it. Okay, you should have two separate lines, and then those two lines should cross at a certain point. Once you find what that point is, the second page will ask you questions based on that point. What does that point of intersection mean? What does it represent? Okay, so these are just follow-up questions based on the graph that you draw. Alrighty? Okay, so as always, if there are any other questions, please post on the forum or send me an email, and I will be more than happy to explain it to you via email or repost another video. Alright, I'll see you for the last lesson.